Hello my lovely learners and welcome to second episodes of the Situational English videos. زي ما قلنا في الحلقة الأولى حضر ورقة وقلم عشان هناخد مجموعة vocabulary مختلفة للتوبيك بتاع النهاردة زائد ممكن جزء grammar. موضوع النهاردة family. By the way ما تنساش لو ما اتفرجتش على الحلقة الأولى اتفرج عليها الأول عشان تشوف الموضوع الأولاني. جاهز؟ يلا بينا. As we said, today we're going to speak about family or family relationships. خلينا نقول طبعا في الأول إن الموضوع ده مهم جدا لأن بتتسأل عنه في حاجات كتيرة قوي ليها علاقة بالإنجليش. منها مثلا على سبيل المثال الانترفيوز. في الانترفيو في بعض الشركات بيقولك tell me about your family. وده طبعا بيبقى جزء صغير جدا لأن في الحالة دي you speak about the small family. الأسرة بتاعتك هي مكونة من 3-4 أفراد. But today we're going to speak about more regarding families. So let's start with some basic vocabulary. زي مثلا brothers, sisters, and طبعا parents اللي هم mom and dad. حلو قوي. طيب brothers and sisters ممكن نقول عليهم siblings. ايه الفرق بين الbrother والsister and sibling؟ الفرق كالآتي. brother and sister ممكن يبقى sibling وممكن لا. sibling معناها a brother or a sister from the same parents, same mom and dad. ساعتها أقدر أقول عليه sibling. طب لو من طرف واحد من one parent مثلا from the father side or the mother side بس ساعتها أقول عليه half brother or half sister. لكن عموما brother and sister. And this is number one. نيجي نتكلم بقى عن شوية تفاصيل أكتر زي مثلا extended family, big family, العيلة الكبيرة, relatives, الأقارب. طبعا زي ما احنا عارفين cousins, aunts, uncles, grandma, grandpa وممكن أقول grandmother أو grandfather. طب عمرك سمعت عن ال great grandfather أو great grandmother أو مثلا great grandchild. Great grandfather is the father of my grandpa. والد أو أبو جدي أو أبو جدتي. And the same with great grandma, the mother of my grandparents. Also the great grandchild is the child of my grandchild. يعني ابن حفيدي ده كده great grandchild. طيب خليني أسألك سؤال. فلنفرض ان انت دلوقتي واقف wedding party في حفلة جواز او فرح وحابب تقدم لحد من صحابك خالك وعمك وصاحبك ده مش مصري ما بيعرفش يتكلم عربي. They speak English. في الحالة دي هتقول له خالي وعمي ازاي؟ هتقول له my uncle and my uncle? Not really. ممكن ساعتها عشان تفسرها له تقول له my paternal uncle and my maternal uncle. Paternal أي حد له علاقة بالfather's family. It's called paternal. And this is the paternal family. I have a big paternal family. It's the father's side. But the maternal family is the mother's family. The mother's side. This is my maternal uncle and this is my paternal uncle. وقيس على كده all the family members. زي مثلا my paternal cousins, my maternal cousins. And by the way, cousin هو ابن العم, ابن العمة, بنت العم, بنت العمة, ابن الخال, ابن الخالة, بنت الخال, بنت الخالة. All of them cousin. نيجي بقى لفرع تاني من الفاميلي وهو الفاميلي بتاع spouse. And spouse means the wife or the husband. تمشي كده وتمشي كده. When you get married لما تتجوز إن شاء الله وتتأهل كده وربنا يكرمك you have another family which the family of your wife or maybe the family of your husband. في الحالة دي we call them in-laws. In-laws which is the family-in-law اللي هم أي حد قريب your spouse. Like father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. What about my sister's husband? جوز أختي. أقول عليه إيه؟ ما هو أنت بالنسبة له أو أنت بالنسبة له يا إما brother-in-law يا إما sister-in-law لأنك أخو أو مراته. فبالتالي هو برضه هيبقى نفس relationship brother-in-law. طب أخويا sister-in-law, the wife of my brother. Sometimes your father or your mother they might get married again after they become a widow or a widower. يعني أرمل أو أرملة. They might get married again. ممكن أتجوز تاني. Maybe they get kids again. في الحالة دي هيبقى عندك half brothers أو half sisters من نفس الأب بس أو من نفس الأم بس. What's the relationship between you and your father's wife or your mother's husband? The father's wife is the stepmom or stepmother. And for the husband, stepfather or stepdad. Means the husband of my mom. But he's not my father. لو حد فيهم عنده child من حد تاني غير your parent، غير والدك أو والدتك، في الحالة دي بيبقى بالنسبة لك لو ولد step brother ولو بنت step sister. So the step brother is the son of my stepmother or stepfather. لكن مش أخويا، مش من أبويا ولا من مامتي. Or step sister. She's the daughter of my stepmom or stepfather. تاني take notes عشان ما تتلخبطش. If your siblings or brothers and sisters they have kids, niece is for the girl اللي هي بنت أو الأخت, the daughter of my brother or my sister, and nephew, son of my brother or sister. For the relatives بالنسبة للأقارب ممكن يبقى عندك distant relative وده معناه إنه حد living outside the city or the country you're in. عايش برا المدينة أو البلد اللي أنت فيها. For example, you're living in Egypt, in the US, in Spain, and you have a relative, a family member who's living in a different country. So we say, this is my distant relative. Or I have two distant relatives. يعني عايشين برا البلد. They're living outside the country. Or maybe outside the city. But far relative, اللي هو not really close relative to me. يعني مش من قريب قوي. قريبي من بعيد. For example, the cousin of my cousin. This is a far relative of mine. He is my far relative. Maybe he's the cousin of my father, but not my cousin, and so on. This is the difference between them. Far relative, distant relative. Now let's move to some adjectives that we can use with families. شوية صفات بنستخدمها مع الفاميليز أو الأشخاص عموما. For example, I can say, my nephew is very stubborn. Stubborn. عنيد. And stubborn people, they never listen. This is one. My grandfather is usually absent-minded. Means he forgets a lot. بينسى كتير. This is normal. He's very old. Most teenagers in our family aren't patient. Or we can say, are impatient. I'm very close to my cousin Claudia. She's very open-minded. And this is the opposite of narrow-minded. Open-minded is someone who accepts other beliefs or opinions without a problem. Narrow-minded is the opposite. My daughter is very introverted. She doesn't like to mix with people a lot. Introverted is someone who's kind of shy and not easy to get along with people. And to get along means that you have a good relationship, an easy relationship with people. تقدر تتعامل مع الناس بسهولة. My sister is very impulsive. Means she reacts without thinking. بتتصرف من غير ما تفكر. Impulsive. His father is very workaholic. He works a lot. Her mom is extremely shopaholic. She likes shopping or she goes shopping a lot. My cousin is usually irresponsible. Means he's not responsible. خد بالك من ال prefixes and the suffixes. يعني الحروف اللي بنضيفها قبل الكلمة عشان ندي عكس معناها أو الحروف اللي بنضيفها على آخر الكلمة عشان نغير معناها. زي مثلا we need to teach our kids to be polite dealing with elderly. Polite وعكسها impolite. Sometimes I'm friendly with the family members and with some other family members I'm unfriendly. This is not good. I like the family gatherings. يعني التجمعات. Let's talk about some idioms now. My cousins are very funny. I thought they are twin. They look alike. يعني شبه بعض جدا. He looks like his father. يعني physically, apparently شبهه. He takes after his father in his anger. يعني واخد الصفة دي منه. My brother and I don't see eye to eye about education. Don't see eye to eye. It means we don't have the same opinions. We disagree. طب وعكسها see eye to eye. We have the same opinion. We agree together about something. It runs in the family. Most of the family members, they have red hair. So, it runs in the family. Red hair runs in the family. It means most people in the family, they have the same thing. سواء كان a physical characteristic أو personal characteristic. يعني ممكن تبقى حاجة صفة في الشكل ضربة في العيلة كلها وممكن تبقى صفة في الشخصية برضو موجودة في كل أو معظم أفراد العيلة. So we say it runs in the family. In a family way. She's in a family way to be pregnant for the first time. And newlywed, for example, وخد بالك newlywed means لسه متجوز جديد. Newlywed. And now she's pregnant. In this case, it means she's going to have a family بقى. First child. So we say she's in the family way. The black sheep of the family. And the black sheep of the family is the worst person in the family. Most people in the family don't like him because he's a troublemaker. معظم الناس في العيلة بتحب الشخص ده عشان بتاع مشاكل. أو هو الأسوأ. Black sheep. My cousin is the black sheep of the family. Blood is thicker than water. دم عمره ما يبقى مي. Like father, like son. This boy is just like his father in everything. هذا الشبل من ذاك الأسد. ممكن نستخدم idioms اللي خدناها في الحلقة اللي فاتت بتاعة الفود أو الأكل to speak about families. Like we say, they're like two peas in a pod, which means فولة واتقسمت نصين. شبه بعض جدا. Like a twin, for example. Another one that gives the same meaning, which is spitting image. For example, I say, my nephew is the spitting image of his father. شبه أبوه قوي. نسخة منه. Extremely the same when it comes to appearance. بالنسبة للشكل. He's my own flesh and blood. It means maybe he's my son or my brother. آخر حاجة بقى أقولها لك في حلقة النهاردة. We can say family, which is 3 syllables, and this is British. And we can say family, 2 syllables, and this is American. يا رب تكون حلقة مفيدة. يا رب تكون كتبت كل حاجة. Try it yourself. And if you like it, you can share it. ولو لسه ما عملتش subscription, you can subscribe in the channel to see the previous and the upcoming videos. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.